Officers with the Lexington, Kentucky Police Department were eagerly awaiting the start of the new year when tragedy struck. On Monday, Lexington police received a 911 call from a Krispy Kreme truck driver who reported that his vehicle had caught on fire, according to Today. Officers rushed to the scene near Boulevard and Pigeon Parkway and were able to quickly put the fire out, WKYT reported. Though no one was hurt, the truck was expected to be a total loss, according to the station. With that, the officers decided to express their sadness in a joking tweet, sharing photos of themselves looking disappointed in front of the burned truck. No words, the officers wrote in a tweet alongside the photos, including a crying emoji. They shared their photos on Facebook as well. Soon after, police department officials from across the country began sending messages of support. "We are so deeply sorry for your loss," officers with Massachusetts' Stoughton Police Department wrote in a tweet. "Your brothers and sisters in Massachusetts are here for you during these tough times." Chicago police wrote, "Condolences from Chicago." Meanwhile, members of the Louisville Metro Police Department were particularly impacted by the tragedy. "This literally hurts my soul. Prayers to LPD as they deal with this loss," authorities wrote in a Facebook comment. The officers even drew well wishes from overseas, with authorities of New South Wales Inner West Police Area Command writing in a Facebook comment, "Our hearts are breaking all the way from Sydney, Australia." Despite the loss, Krispy Kreme assured the officers that sweeter times were on the horizon. "We're thinking of you during this difficult time and have more donuts on the way," the company tweeted Tuesday.